Hey friends, today we're talking about the Buick LaCrosse. If you drive one of these cars, you may find that at some point in time it starts to run rough or hesitate on acceleration or sometimes even stall. So there's three primary causes of these concerns on these cars. Number one is a dirty throttle body. Now that's an easy fix. So all you do there is you remove the air duct that connects the throttle body to the air cleaner box and then start the engine. And then while the engine's running, you spray some cleaner into that throttle bore and all across that gold butterfly valve there. And as the engine sucks the cleaner in, it cleans the butterfly valve and the bore and restores airflow into the engine. Now you can use some of this throttle body in air intake cleaner. This stuff's available on Amazon. I put a link down in the description if you'd like to get some. Works real well, and a little bit goes a long way. So the next thing you want to do after you do that is clean your mass airflow sensor. This is a little device that's easy to access and easy to clean. So there's just two screws that hold it into the air cleaner box. Remove those two screws, and then when you pull it out of the air cleaner box, just hold it in your hand and spray it off with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. Now, gum out makes an excellent mass airflow sensor cleaner, and what you do there is you spray it onto this mass airflow sensor while you're holding it in your hand to get it nice and clean. You want to focus your attention to the sensing element highlighted by the green arrow. What happens is when that sensing element gets dirty with time and mileage, it loses sensitivity. And then that sensor doesn't work as well as it did when it was new and causes the computer to make fuel miscalculations. And then you can end up with the stalling and the rough running concerns. Now the last thing you want to do is the easiest, and that's to clean your fuel injectors. All you got to do there is take this Techron fuel injector cleaner. It's made by Chevron. It's an excellent product, also available on Amazon. You can just dump that into your fuel tank and drive the car. And as you drive the car through that tank of fuel, your injectors get cleaned up. Now, in the process of doing all these cleanings, you may find that your check engine light comes on, or you set some trouble codes. So in the process of doing that, what will happen is all you have to do is clear the codes out with a scan tool. Now, you can get one of these little pocket scanners for less than $40 on Amazon. Keep it in your glove box. If your check engine light ever comes on, you can plug it in and check out and see what your codes are without going to the shop. So there it is, folks. Let's keep your Buick LaCrosse running good. These are three things that are simple to do. You can do them right there in your driveway. And if your car's running rough and stalling, you could probably remedy those things by doing these three simple steps. And as a matter of fact, it's probably not a bad idea just to do it every 30,000 miles to keep the car running good. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hope you have a good night, and we'll see you at the next one.